A plane crashes exactly on the border between two countries. Where do they bury the survivors?
Oh, survivors, they did not bury them now.
You want to share me? If you share me, you no longer have me. What am I?
Hi
Hello,
guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys have been good. Chi, how are you?
More like I've been tired.
Yeah.
Like I had a really busy week. I had a travel earlier this week. So I got back on Sunday, wrote an exam on Tuesday, resumed work on Wednesday. Like it's just been a lot, like getting back to work and a lot of things to do. And my schedule today is
very crazy. She didn't sleep, she has not slept actually.
God.
She did an all-nighter with our friend Amy. I'm sorry.
So like I just
This
had to like put it
adulthood.
together anyhow,
she
but
looks very
we moved.
beautiful. And then speaking of the exam that she wrote living
in Deutschland. Let's be speaking German. Living in Deutschland, Prüfung.
Yeah, that's what she wrote. Because we've qualified for the citizenship.
I haven't. I just prepping.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have. And you know, in Germany, like you need like 5 years, and then you need to write the living in Deutschland exam, and also need to write B1 language. So I've written mine. I passed. They wrote theirs on Tuesday, so we're hoping after like 4 weeks their results will be out, and I'm sure they will ace it.
The exam was really like nice. It was a bit different because now you have a limited number of questions that you have to practice with 310.
Yeah.
So like I don't think anybody would ever fail the questions because it's kind of
able
easy to
cram.
remember.
If you're able to like cram a lot, like
it doesn't even just cramming, but like
when you keep
understanding
the questions, and then when you keep practicing and practicing, it just becomes I think I failed around 6 out of 33. I got 27 at 33.
Let's see. I don't know. For 100%, is it possible?
Okay, guys, welcome. I think for me as well, my week was a bit stressful because I'm traveling soon, so I had a lot of things I needed to get done before leaving for the US because I'll be staying for like a month plus.
Yeah, it's just been crazy. So many schedules to run. But anyways, here we are. Of course, we can't disappoint.
Of course.
So like today, I'm going to be giving Dima 20 brain teaser questions. I mean,
we might break it into 2 if it's long. So you watch part 1 and watch part 2.
Don't worry, the questions are easy. Easy. And I think they use brain teasers to know how smart you are.
I graduated from UNA was by the grace of God. So please don't expect too much from me.
No, but I don't think it matters. So the first one is, what has keys but can't open locks?
Keys. Like I think we have keypad, like phone. It has a key. No, or even like instruments.
Oh, yes, what? Piano.
Piano, right?
Yeah. Because you can also actually say laptop or keypad or any. Yeah, it makes sense.
This is the first time.
That was easy. You're making it easy.
Don't get your hopes up. Okay, let's go.
Okay, the second one is, a cowboy rode into town on Friday, stayed 3 days, and left on Friday. How?
He rode with a horse.
Where did you be seeing these answers from?
No. Because what cowboys are known for, they always ride horses with their cows.
So if he rode on a horse, how does it change anything? Okay,
so I'm thinking of like, the way it's confusing is he came on a Friday and still left on a Friday but stayed 3 days.
Yeah, a cowboy rode into town on Friday, stayed 3 days, and left on Friday. How?
I swear, I don't know. How?
His horse is named Friday. So he came in on Friday.
On Friday, that's
not on a Friday.
Okay, on Friday on his horse.
Yes.
Okay, makes sense.
So what has a head, a tail, is brown, and has no legs?
Something has a head.
A tail is brown and has no legs. That's why it's supposed to be brain teasers to make you think.
It has head, it has tail, but no legs. Head and tail.
It is brown.
Head, tail.
And has no legs.
I want to say brown people.
So we don't have legs. Do we have tails? What's brown people?
What of the baby toys?
Don't they have legs?
Head, tail, and no legs. I'm not like I have no clue.
There should be punishment for failing these things. It's a coin.
Ah, Jesus Christ, it's true. Head or tails? Oh my.
Yeah.
People, please
Yeah,
don't
this
use this
kind
to
of
judge my
questions.
smartness. So I'm smarter than normal day.
This kind of questions, when you hear the answer, you're like, oh, that makes sense, you know.
Okay.
So the fourth one is, if you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you no longer have me. What am I?
If you have me,
If you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you no longer have me. What am I?
money.
No, it's not that.
No, it's not money.
Yeah.
I've only
If you have
gotten
money,
one.
you can share some. I still have some.
If you share me, you no longer have me. My bed.
How? I'm trying to say, if you share your bed,
No clue. You no longer have me. Is it food? No.
count down in 1, 3.
Okay. See, let's make it easier. Can you be giving me slight clues?
One. It's something you want to share.
Okay.
It's something that you are excited to share.
Love? No.
Secrets.
Jesus, Chima, see, I swear, like
So once you let out the secret, it's no longer a secret.
No longer, my mind, if we had stayed here from now to tomorrow, my mind would not have. I wouldn't have thought about it. Okay. Okay.
How many months have 28 days?
How many months
have 28 days?
1 month. Okay, all the months, that's 12. 12? Yeah. 12.
Yeah.
2 over 5. Okay.
What goes up but never comes down?
What goes up but never comes down?
It can never come down no matter what you do. It's something that all of us have.
Okay, we all have it.
Everybody have it.
It goes up but
But it never comes down. Yeah.
Everybody.
If I give you this tip, it will be like a give out. No, so I'll say
it goes up but never comes down.
And everybody gets more, like every time.
Age.
Yeah. So a plane crashes exactly on the border between two countries. Where do they bury the survivors?
Oh, survivors! They did not bury them now. Oh my God!
Oh, wow, survive, well, yeah, that's 3 already.
Okay. It's just like they're survivors. Where will they bury them? Nice.
It's actually 4. Yeah. Okay. If 2 is company and 3 is a crowd, what are 5?
Okay, 2 is company, 3 is crowd. Too much.
4 and 5 is 9. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? Think.
You come alive.
Think. You know the answer, or you might not connect it. Come with wind.
Storm? No. Gossip.
How does gossip come louder with wind?
Okay, hold on. Do I have an idea of what it is?
You have an idea?
For my no clue. I will not even. Nothing is coming to my head.
It's echo.
No. I wouldn't have guessed it.
This one you're going to get it, like, for sure.
Okay.
So I think you've gotten 4 so far. 4 over 10. You're doing well.
Maybe I'm smarter than this. Okay.
So which word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Which words
become shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
The word shorter. Short.
Short.
Yeah.
What can you hold in your right hand but not in your left?
What can you hold in your right hand? Hold in your left hand. Your wedding band? No.
What?
No.
They say can't.
Okay, but cannot hold in your left hand. What can you hold in your right hand, but can never hold in your left hand?
This one, I'm not even like feeling the answer right like that. So let me just say, they say it's your left elbow. So because the right elbow, you're holding it in your right hand, and the
left elbow. Okay.
You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible?
You see a boat filled with people,
yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible?
If there is no single person, does it mean that everybody there is a couple? Is that it?
Simple. Everybody there are married. Not a couple per se, but married. Yeah. Okay. A house has 4 walls. All walls face south. A bear walks by. What color is the bear?
White.
Why?
Why? Because maybe when light reflects on it. I have no idea. But I feel like maybe when light reflects on the bear, it automatically just makes it bright.
That's actually the answer. The answer is white, so the house must be at the North Pole. So the sun is a polar bear. So it's not a bear, it's a polar bear.
Oh, yeah. Oh. So it was just a lucky answer.
Yeah. What gets better as it dries?
What gets better as it dries?
I know this one.
Is it towel?
Yeah. Towel. You're really getting this
no, thing. Because when we were growing up, we did a lot of
riddles.
My brothers did a lot of riddles with me. So the more you keep doing it, the more you think of. You try to think of.
If an electric train is moving north at 100 mph and the wind is blowing east at 10 mph, which way does the smoke blow?
I know this one. I know this one very well because my brothers asked me this one when I was growing up, and the answer is an electric train does not have smoke. Yeah. Buchi, if you're listening to this,
you taught me something. You're really getting a lot. Okay. Now I'm worried for myself. What belongs to you but is used more by others?
What belongs to you but is used more by others? My name? Is it my name?
Yeah. You're really getting it.
Is that what I said? This I did a lot of riddles, like riddles and whatever. Yeah. My brothers, we did it growing up. It was one of the games we played in the night. Storytelling and riddles, a lot of it.
3 more to go.
Okay.
2 mothers and 2 daughters went out to eat. They each ate 1 slice of pizza. So there's supposed to only 3 slices we are eating. How?
So my brain is telling me is either one of them is pregnant or breastfeeding. So the baby which is pregnant or the one that's being breastfed is not ready to eat a pizza. Yeah. Is that it?
Wrong answer.
Hold on. If only
no, you've given an answer. You
okay. I said it. What's the answer?
So one of them is a grandmother.
Oh,
so the grandmother is the mother to the mother of the other one. So 2 mothers and 2 daughters.
Okay.
I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and water but no fish. What am I?
The thing is, when you say the answer,
it will click. Yeah.
Cities but no buildings, right?
Yeah.
Cities
but no houses, forest but no trees, and water but no fish. What am I?
Ocean.
How will it be ocean?
I know that I've heard this.
Do they have cities in the ocean?
I know that I've heard so cities with no houses.
Clock in 3, 2, 1. It's a map. Of course. Of course. Yeah. So what kind of room has no doors or windows?
What kind of room has no doors or windows? What kind of room has no doors or windows? I know it's something that has room, but I just cannot remember or think of a word. I don't know it. I know it has room. What's the answer?
Mushroom.
I just know it's something that has room but does not. I just know. I just know.
Yeah, but you did really well. Let's count the ones you got. So you got the first. You got the first one. You didn't get the second one. You got the fourth one.
Yeah,
That's two. You got the fifth one.
3.
You got the sixth one.
4.
No, you didn't get this one. Which one comes? You got this one.
5.
11th one.
5.
You got the 13th one.
6. I tried though.
Yeah, you got the 14th one.
Ah, 7.
That one about the 4 walls actually surprised me that you said white.
7.
You got the 15th one.
8.
You got the 16th one.
Ooh, 9.
You got the 17th one.
I will go with my 10 in peace.
So you got 10 over 10. That's 50%. If you get 50%, you're passing the...
I passed.
So that was a good one.
Okay, so
guys, like, were you guys playing along with us? Did you know some of the answers, or are you just hearing some of them for the first time? So drop your comment in the comment section. In fact, drop your answers while she was thinking about her own answers. Let's see
what you guys got. Oh my god, I swear, 10 over 20.
That was impressive.
I'm actually impressed.
Now I'm worried for myself because I'm going to be doing another one
for her
the next episode.
For her. So
if I score 10, I'll be so happy. All right, bye guys.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next episode. Bye guys.